Hello everyone. In this tutorial I want to show you how to create letter Z portrait. First, create a canvas and add a gradient layer. Choose radial. Choose text tool and type letter you want. Go to File and choose Place Embedded. Right-click and choose Flip Horizontal. Choose Select Subject. Max Layer. Right-click and select Pixels. Go to Select and choose Inverse. Go to Blending Options. Follow instructions. Now add subtext. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to get the next tutorial.